Hey guys, it's Scruffy here from Team Phoenix. I want to let you know this little gameplay from an open play way back ago. Finally got the chance to edit it. What happened here was just I walked around the spawn and just took out my pistol and took out the whole team just by myself pretty fast. So hope you enjoy.
I'm becoming so paranoid.